Welcome to another episode and video on my driving robot Discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in online mode in Python. Online mode means that I use the SSH remote shell. The robot is having two front sensors for touching objects like these. Then active sonar to detect any object, camera for image capturing, and then via Python OpenCV imaging, and in this case it is selecting the color red, supposed to. A red colored LED, or more appropriately an LED which is covered with a red well, kind of cover, so it looks red. Then also a propeller which shows when the algorithm has stopped. It doesn't run immediately, but anyway, that's how it works. Last time I was kind of surprised how fast suddenly the robot was driving. Before that I had a lot of problems getting it to work anyway, either on cloth or just on rather smooth surface like this one. And I am not quite sure why it did run just like that. So let's first see how the powering is going, because that was a problem last time as well. Firing up the stuff and then see how that works. And last time I could not even connect to it, so let's try that right now. Alright, that's one. Power up. Community firmware and setting the date I do nowadays with the date command, so no more hassling with the graphical interface, although I still have to set it there to get everything to work, like OpenCV, etc. But let's first see how this ends up. Now it works, and then I am, and there it goes. And it is a freshly charged battery, so something is not quite right. Again, a power issue, but which is caused by what? Because I am not really touching the wires. So this is the same problem like last time, or it looks like it anyway. Okay, let's hope this will do. Yes. Alright, now I'm in the standard interface. That's good. So let's see how the next thing works. Setting date and time, because I want it to be okay. So it's working. I checked the IP address, so I should be good, and this is the IP address that I should use, so that's alright. Minimize. am able to receive images on here, but first let's log on. That's one thing. Now do it here. First things first, entering software, then remove all the old images. Right, now for the date. And this is for last time. We are in September now. And it is 1425. And yes, if you're watching from a part of the world where you use only 12-hour clock, I'm in the Netherlands, and continental Europe is using 24-hour clock. Not to be confused with military time, that's 24 hours as well, but just 24 hours clock. And by now it has been 26, so now I have to use a password. And yeah, incorrect password, I mistyped. And for some reason something is not completely correct, but I did it just like I did last time. So the question is, why doesn't this work? Or did it? No, it didn't. And this is exactly what was. We're now to 27. Oh wait. Wait a second. If I do this. And now it's correct. Alright. So, yes, I have the correct date set. Now, let's see how the robot runs. More appropriately, how fast it runs. So, this is needed. And to be sure, what is the distance? 30 centimeters. It gives 35. I'm okay with that. It is the distance to one object. And there you go. So, whatever has happened now? Basic imaging from 35 centimeters. And okay, a battery voltage of 8 volts, I don't care, not now. And then suddenly 0, probably because it bumped into something. Did it touch anything at all? I don't think it had time to register that. No, really. So, when we look right here in the code, a very very low speed here, and then here it goes like, well, goes like lightning, very fast. This is contact 2, contact 1, and right, here is still a problem that I haven't solved, and I have no idea why it goes wrong here. Because when I eliminate these two lines, it comes with a syntax error, and as yet I have no clue why. I can enlarge this whole stuff, of course. But this one belongs to this one, and this one belongs to this one, and this one belongs to this one, and then in the end you'll have these two, which is exactly the same as this. And it first started with this line, and then I put this condition in front of it, but it doesn't make any sense. Anyway, why does it drive so fast? This is the first one, but the condition was from 30. And oh right, that was another thing. It first detected 35 centimeters, and the max here is 30. So 35 centimeters doesn't lead to anything. Let me put it again. And let the objects be somewhere here. Then right here, this is 30 centimeters, but it is from here to here, so I may just as well put it here, and then I have 28. Let's put it that way. Alright. So, let's put it, yeah, let's try this. So, next test. Whatever happens, happens. Not again. Why does this network error only happen with this controller, not with the other one? I wondered that myself last time as well. But no solution yet. Well, it's 29 centimeters now. Light giving. Ah, this is very different. Alright. Very different behavior. It's 14:35 now. This yeah, 30. So this is 0. then this should be the last one to check. 14, 35, 24. Alright. And of course I need this one. Let's study this. Not good. Not good. Yeah, you see some red here, but I need to see a complete red surface here. This is black and should be red. Not good. But it is the further distance, so that's a bit weird. The other ones I don't even have to check yet. Okay. But it is now at a distance of, that's another one, some 22 centimeters. So 22, which means I should be looking at this one, between 20 and 25. What happens this time? If something happens. No, network error. Oh God. All right. Okay, imaging 1725, that's good. Which one was the former? That is 37. 37, 25. That doesn't exist. Okay, 37, 17, 25. And of course the other one as well, image. Okay, look at the difference. Red is coming back here at least. Not so much here, although yeah, that's a problem. I didn't pay any attention to that, but this object should actually be positioned like that, red in front, not at the back. So, but what is the distance now? It's a very short distance. That is less than 10 centimeters. So I wonder what kind of image this gives, or more appropriate, speed and image. Yep, again a network error. Yep, there we go. 131. Yeah, light. It doesn't drive. And what is 131? Action 131. It's right here, and it is between 10 and 12. Right, where so measuring. So what does it measure? Because this is 8, and this, yeah, okay, this is between 10 and 12. So then it would measure this. But alright, wait, 22 131 is being captured. Let's take a look at that one. Um, 40 22, yep, go. And this one. This is red, but now, as you can see, the closer, the more red it captures. But it skipped several ifs. So here, no. Here is the red, this is yellow, so I should have captured it all. But what I want to do is this is 20, yeah, this is 25 max, and this is 30 max, and then we skip to 55. So I want another one which is 35. So I will add that. And then during my editing, interface goes off. So I have to replace the battery right now and see whatever has come of it. I hope this battery has been charged sufficiently. So I have to test and see, and of course I have to make a new tab to log in. Which hopefully allows me to continue. If not, this whole stuff is void. Usually there is a recovery session, but I have to see if that indeed is the case. Alright, first thing, What is the battery connection? The battery is 9 volts. So that's one thing that's alright. Unfortunately, I can't test the other one just now. So I'll just log in and set the date again. Right. Date has become 52. Alright. But now I have the problem that I have to open a tab here and do the same. Yeah, I know that has to be SSH. And I'm in. VI. And what remains of what I was editing is a big question. This is old, this is right. Nothing has been saved. Ouch. So, yeah, what to do? Fresh battery. I don't know how much it's been done, but I'll try it anyway. And I have to gamble that this battery will last. So, let's hope so. Alright, not much time left for the remainder of this video, so I will hopefully get things still done. The new part of the algorithm gets to 35 to whichever object is in the range, and that is too much. And that is between 30 and 35. Okay. Yeah, it's between 30 and 35. So let's see whatever happens. And yes, this is broken pipe because the interface went off. So here I am. Let's go. Ah, okay. This has to be an underscore. This as well. And then this has to be an underscore as well. This as well. Okay. Save. And of course, I could have saved it all along, but I forgot. Sometimes you do. Let's go. Hopefully not. Okay, no network error. And the number I gave is 35, so if it takes... Oh crap. Why this? What happened? Zero, zero, one, 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 boom. Okay, so the very nice result that I got doesn't repeat. End of story. Ouch. Yeah, and that's the end of this experiment, unfortunately. And this is then the closing part with a battery that is presumed empty, which is quite fast because what can you do in half an hour? It should last quite a bit, quite some time. Anyway, new one, luckily working. Last test, an utter failure, because it didn't exactly do what I expected, or the behavior so far didn't work out. That can be as well, and then I'm lucky I have those images anyway. So next time back to testing it, hopefully a nice one. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. If you like what I'm doing, then please, with my other videos as well, please support me by making a small donation via PayPal or Wire. See my website for more information. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned. For more information, please see my website. Website is listed at the start of this video, as you may have noticed, and also under this video in the description box with some more information. Thanks for watching. To be continued. Bye bye.